Hi, my next one is for math. And in my classroom, I do a lot of interactive journaling, especially within English and reading when we learn about, literature and grammar and those sorts of things. We do a lot of interactive journaling. But I haven't really found a interactive journaling with math that I really like. But I have found, actually this was introduced to me by a para in our district who was like, have you heard of this? And I was like, absolutely not. What is it? And she showed me, and I just absolutely love it. I select and print out things for my students. Let's see, what have I used? Square numbers. This is one that I just printed out the other day. It gives a kind of walkthrough of what square numbers are, how they're used, why they're called square numbers, things that we talk about in class. So they have something to go back and reference. And this is a really, really resourceful site for teachers to use. It's easy to do. You select it, you find it, you hit print, and you follow the stuff. It's super, super easy to use. I love this website because anytime we do something different or new that the students may not necessarily know, I print stuff out for them. Like we're going to be talking about, the prime factors and this sorts of stuff soon. Let's see what, there's something, it's all, the only problem with this is trying to remember where you have stuff. Prime and composites. This is something else that we talk a lot about, prime and composite, and we spent the past couple weeks talking about differences and how you find it, what you know, and those sorts of things. And I printed this out to give to them because it gives them the prime numbers as well as the composite numbers. And it's a resource that they can go back to and use. We're going to be talking about decimals soon, how decimals are lined up, ordering decimals. There's practice sheets in there, expanding decimals, multiplying decimals. We're going to be talking about those really quick. So those are two that I'm going to be printing off for my students as well, so that parents, they can take that home in their, they put them in their math folder, and if they can always take the math folders home. And so, yeah, just dividing. I already clicked on that. Subtracting decimals, just, things for help reminding. When we get to percentages, we're talking ratios, beginning algebra problems. We already talk about exponents and what exponents are and what they mean and whatnot. So, those sorts of things that help the student out, that we can go back and reference and say, oh yeah, I have this, and parents can also see it. So it's a really, really great resource. I hope that if you use it, you find it useful as well.